Your Excellency, since after the primaries and all the matters arising, a lot of people have been wondering, where are we going? What are we doing? But I would like to assure you that the belief we have in you and your type of leadership, whenever you decide to say where we're going to go, that is where all of us will go. We're not in a hurry. We'll deliver for our governor. We'll deliver all the members of the House of Reps, all the senators, all the assemblymen. But the other one that we're waiting for, whenever you decide, we'll wait for you. Whatever you decide, that's where all of us will go. Actually, we thank God that you have the ability and the capacity to carry along a number of your colleagues, today known as G5. That's the most popular governors in this country today. And we're not pressurizing you. Whatever the group comes up with, whatever decision you take, you can rest assured that your full ownership will key into it and support you to the last.
Today, people are saying, oh, I don't regret I run for presidency. In the name of God, I'm happy. I'm happy to make River State. I'm happy. So I didn't go to the election to be this. Anybody who wants to say it can go and say it. I'm happy. As far as I'm concerned, if they are allowed it to be what it's supposed to be, I will want the election. But it's okay. It has happened. It has all I say, okay. Happened. Let us leave it the way we agreed. How things should be done. So when them people come and say all kinds of things, I was hearing, oh, they say, oh, because I lost election. It doesn't matter. I didn't lose election. This is my first time I plan to run for president of Nigeria. And we made impact. We made impact. If they like it or not, if it's easy, let them go ahead now. I don't know the ones that are begging. I'm not going to beg anybody. So we should be proud of ourselves. Should be proud that we come from Rivers State. I want to sincerely thank you and our members who have come today to wish me and my family for adding one more year in our life. Like you said, sometimes last year, sadly today, if I remember vividly, we led members of our team to this place, and you gave me a letter which all of you who are leaders then signed that I should run for president. Yeah, it was there. OCJ was there, Omehia was there, Osnabra was there, Abie was there, Maeba was there. Name them. Sekibo was here. Yes. All of them were here. We didn't have this number. But they're all here. I presented me that letter, I should run for the presidency of Nigeria. I requested for one thing. I said, that's good. But you two, do me a favor and choose who will be governor of Rivers State. It was there on the 13th of December 2021. All of us of us agreed here that look, whoever that we choose to be governor, everybody will work together. All of us agreed. Nobody want to go and tell my family, look, yeah, this is what I agreed. No one to tell my wife, no one to tell my daughter, no one to tell my son. Like this is what I signed. And that was the truth of the matter. We all agreed. And when it came to where we decided that it will be this and this, we called everybody. I said, look, leave this, leave this. This is what we have decided. Yes, remember. In fact, I never one day promised anybody I will support you to be governor. I called Austin here. Austin sat here. I said, he's here. I said, look, my brother, leave it. It will not work. I don't want to cause crisis in our system. I made you finish 8 years. I'm going to finish 8 years. It will be difficult to sell another equal person for another 8 years. It will be too, yes, I would want it as a selfish person, but leave it. Omehia said, I want to go to Senate. I said, no, leave it. You could have gone, okay, no, go, leave the chair to go. Franco wanted to go, I said, don't go. People said I should go, I said, I will not go. Always could not have stopped me from going to Senate. I said, no, I won't do it. It's an understanding, leave them. Yeah, today we have majority. You don't know what tomorrow will be. Leave them to go. And that was what I did. No, I never did anything to undermine anybody. Just to look. Let us understand that all of us are together. And that was what I did. I have no problem with presidential candidate. All I'm saying, tell me what's the interest of Rivers people. What's the interest of South? What's the interest of the South? That's my own interest. Forget all these our brothers. At the appropriate time, they will regret what they have done. You can only have one minister for Rivers. Even if you have two, they say there are 8. Only 2 will be. Don't worry. They will regret what they have done. When you sell your family, you will pay at the end of the day. So it's not whether you have money. You may not have the money, don't worry. But your integrity matters a lot. Now all of us sat here and agreed on something. And then you moved out, taking excuses here and there. It's your business. Your children will ask you questions. Daddy, were you there or not? Daddy, tell me the truth. Did you sign this or did you not sign? It's public knowledge. When the CJ comes back, sir, can I go to we'll publish it. See what you signed. So let nobody kill himself. Just calm down. We will win. I'm not running an election, but I'm running an election. Yes. You understand me? My name is not in the ballot, but I'm running an election. You hear what will happen. So you will just Melembe. Everybody calm down. Don't rush, don't panic. It's something that's on our palm. God has given it